National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rappahannock County in northwest Virginia, eastern Warren County in northwest Virginia, northern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southern Clarke County in northwest Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, western Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from 15 miles northeast of Front Royal to Delaware Plain to Front Royal, and were moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of ping pong balls and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Front Royal, Delaware Plain, Loudoun, the Plains, Warrenton. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. This line of storms is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move indoors immediately.